Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC Automation. This is Jaffer once again, and in today's video I explain how to program two-tank automatic filling system with one shared pump. Uh, this video is made based on request from many subscribers who asked for a ladder logic example that reflects a real industrial situation. In this tutorial, I walk through a whole the program where each tank has its own low-level and high-level sensor, and the pump is controlled so that only one tank is filled at a time. When a tank reaches its low level, it requests filling. The pump starts, and the tank is filled until the high level is reached, after which the pump stops and the logic checks whether the other tank also needs to be filled. The program includes proper interlocking and sequencing, exactly the kind of logic you would use in a real machine. If anything in this ladder logic or explanation is not clear, or you want a deeper breakdown of a specific part, feel free to leave a comment. I'm always happy to explain further or make a follow-up video. I want also to give just a small explanation of the system as followed. The automatic button is already activated. It's green. So this tank is filling right now. When I activate the high level, it means the tank is full. The pump turns off. And when the low level when there is empty space in one of the tank, it means when the low level of a tank is activated, this system knows only if the low level is activated, because it knows, okay, the low level of this tank is activated. Now I can fill that tank, right? So I activate the low level of this tank, the pump turns to green, and the valve tank 2 goes to green, and it starts filling, and until the high level. When the high level is activated, the pump turns into false. So you see, it's filling this tank right now because the low level is activated right now, and this one is, both of them are activated, but this situation is also a kind of alarm. And the next videos we will also create some alarm for the system. This is a sensor conflict, but if I turn on the high level of this pump and turn off the high level of another tank, it starts filling because the system knows, okay, the low level is activated and there might be some space, and I'm going to fill until the high level is activated. Okay, so let's go to the good part and the interesting part and start with our ladder logic. Okay, so I have already created a project, and I have added the CPU 1200 and also an HMI. So I have also explained this in the past videos how to do that. So we are going to add a function block. Function block. We call our function block to automatic filling system. Two tanks. Right. Language is a ladder. First of all, I'm going to declare some variables. The input tags going to be auto enable, yes, brilliant. Tank 1 level low. Tank 1 level high. And also tank 2 level low. Tank 2 level high. Alright, now we are going to declare some output. Our output gonna be pump run and valve tank 1, valve tank 2. Alright, what we have more, we also declare some static variable request. Tank 1, just give me tank request tank 1, tank 2, active tank 1, active tank 2. I'm also declare a variable here like auto. Okay, so let's get to the good part. Network 1, we are going to enable the automatic part. Enable. Here we are going to write like master permission for automatic billing. Okay. And here how to enable, how to okay, right? Done. And let's also write some text here without auto okay, nothing gain. Right, okay, that's good. And now we are going to and do this one. Here we put request tank 1. Here we put what do we put? Tank 1 high level, yes. And here tank 1 low level. Automatic, okay. So here we write some tank 1 request. Okay, we give priority to tank 1. Tank 1 has the or has priority. All right. But, okay, what more time? Auto is enabled. Tank 1 is low. Tank 1 not full. Okay, just and now network 3 tank 2 request uh, second priority. Okay, this one, this one, and here we put also some more. I think here gonna be out. Okay, tank 2 low level, tank 2 high level, and here we put tank 1 high level, tank 1 high level, and request tank 2. Alright, and what is next? We, after tank 2 active tank selection. Okay, if you want to program this, so program like professionals, right, with commands, everything proper and understandable for everybody. Okay, and active, and now we are going to we are choosing a set button here, request tank 1 here, active tank 2 and active tank 1. Yes, in the same network we are going to write another. Alright, so here we put tank 1 high level, and here active tank 1. Alright, and the fifth network, or no, and the same, let's go to next network, it's tank 2 active. Alright, we are going to declare this one and this one, and also we set the active tank 2. We also request tank 2, and or here we put tank 1. It's more safe. And this part, this one, we reset it back, and now tank 2 high level. here active tank 2. All right, and here, okay, if we are going to valve tank 1 and valve tank 2. First of all, active tank 1, valve tank 1, and here we put active tank 2, valve tank 2. All right, and this part we are going to, okay, here I will put active tank 1, tank 2, and pump on pump control. We also shared resource. All right, so now I think we have, okay, we are done with our ladder logic. We go to OB1. We call our automatic FB automatic filling system. Okay, and now, in the past video I have explained, whenever we are calling an FB into OB1, TIA Portal creates automatically an instant data block of the FB function block. So the instant data block is the backpack of the function block. So we have declared here variables, and this function block put all of them in its backpack, and this is the backpack of the function block. Now we are going to OB1. We go to the backpack of instance data block, and we put the same variables once again here. Okay, 1 tank 1 low level, tank 1 high level, tank 2 low level, tank 2 high level. All right, and now we are going to put the pump valve tank 1, valve tank 2, and automatic. Okay. All right. Okay. Now we are going to make a function block. A function. Function. Animation. Water. Animation. Function. Function. Done. We create also a data block, a global data block. Do not miss it. This is a we are going to make a global data block, and this is an instance data block, right? Okay. and we call it automatic billing system data block, right? Select this one. We go to here. We just make it separate windows. Done. Okay. Now we are going to counters. We add two counter up. In the past video, I have also explained how to use a counter up, right? Tank 1, tank 2, tank 2. Done. Okay, now we need survey tank 1, survey tank 2. Integer, integer. Tank 1, tank 2, right? We are also going to declare Q tank 1, Q tank 2, boolean. Wait, like this, Q tank 1, Q tank 2, right? Close it. So for our program, for this function, we need to activate the clock memory bits, and we go to device configuration. We select our CPU and we go to properties, and it's here. We just activate them. And now we save them. We go to our function, PLC tag, default tags, we put here 500, right? And copy, paste, copy, paste, down. Okay, now we are going to our HMI. This video gonna be one of the longest video, I think, but we will do it the complete program in one video, so you take your time while watching. Okay, so now this is our pump. This is our valve tank 1. I will make a copy. This is tank 2, valve tank 2, and it's okay. Alright, tank 2. We add buttons. Online. Start the simulator. Okay. Alright, okay. So we enable auto, the low level. It starts filling tank 1, but the tank 1, it's not filling. Let's have a look, why not? That's the high level. And this tank is also not. Oh, yeah. Very important part we forgot to do. So we should call our function block. Otherwise it would not work, right? Now, you see, now it's working. It feels because the low level of this tank is activated, so the system thinks, okay, I have space in this tank. And if the high level is activated, we activate the low level of this tank and it's also going to fill, right? So thank you very much everybody for watching this video, and if you have learned something out of this video and if you like this video, subscribe to this channel and also turn the notification on in order not to miss the upcoming video. And have a great day, and I will catch you back in the next video. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.